Hey gang, Poppy here. It's midnight 32 on the 7th of July in the year of perfect vision. A couple of 3 days ago, I uploaded my entry into the 2020 tool making competition, sponsored and largely run by Emma Ritz of Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop. Excuse me. I just gobbled down some leftover tater salad, and you know how it is. Okay. Do 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 do. How could you turn the thing on in 14 days when it took us 2 years? No, that's science fiction. Okay. This is my entry. Oh, one piece of it. There's two pieces. The small calibration ring. Anyway, I had two problems in manufacturing this. I started out with 6x6x1 inch white Delrin. That's another big thing. Getting the Delrin. Okay? But that's machining the Delrin down. I didn't have long jaw calipers when I started. So I found myself doing come on. This bit to measure it, right? So I didn't trust the measurements I was getting. I was figuring something like parallax. I know this isn't optics. Okay. I know this isn't optics and all that, but still, with the short arm calipers, you can't get like that, right? Because they're not deep enough. So I ordered these carbon fiber reinforced plastic, resolution to 4/100ths of a millimeter, 4/10,000ths of an inch, right? 20 something bucks, free shipping, blah, blah, blah. It came quick. And I was all ready to flame, right? No, I actually like them. They were reliable to within the specifications they said it would keep. Yeah, be still my beating heart, but not too still because I want to keep on beating, just not so hard. Uh, anyway, I got these and I was able to measure the OD. And, you know, I'm cutting this recess. Uh, I'm doing the ID reading like so, right? Problem is these beaks. I believe that's what they call these, is the ID beaks. Because, what was that? Sure. Anyway, I don't like to feel. I don't trust the reading. And especially since it was giving me 3 and 4 different readings depending on how hard I was cussing at it. You know. So, I came up with an idea. You see these two pieces of wax? Those represent the 7:30 seconds measuring faces. I'm torn between bolting up this high or bolting them that low. You know, the lower you get out on the arm, you know, the larger the radius you can measure. But I don't seriously think I'm going to be going for 6-inch ID pockets, right? So I'm thinking find just either just here or coming out here and counter boring so that the bolt will sit flat. Anyway, these will be 7:30 seconds bronze. Yeah, I can hear the screaming already. They should be steel. Carbon fiber plastic. I could use lucite, but it doesn't machine nicely. It would be nice and clear. Show every scratch. I got plenty of white Delrin. I got a couple of these. I got 4 of these. 2 of these. I've even got my brand new tooling plate for my lathe. And anything I want to bolt to a faceplate and spin on my lathe, I now have one so I don't have to mutilate my drive plate. Yeah. I was hoping maybe to get 2 of those large rings out of that 1-inch thick Delrin, but that didn't work out. I didn't think it would. I pretty much figured out I was going to be making that tooling plate. Anyway, now I've got 2 ways of doing this. I can drill and bolt through these up here. Probably have to do some cut and fill. That's what's it? Engineering. Civil engineering term. Cut and fill. Or I make 2 sleeves that clamp on and have my measuring surfaces. Anyway, that is my next project. I'm going to do the quick and dirty plastic and bronze. Then I'll think about if I can get some nice tool steel cylinders with the right size hole. Anyway, project coming up.